we're going to walk through testing our water. And this is how we gauge what our levels of ammonia, nitrites, and nitrates are, so we can see how healthy our bacteria and make sure our system is balanced and running well. First, we're going to do ammonia. When we add the drops, we want to make sure that the bottle is completely upside down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we add 8 drops of bottle 1. Turn it over a couple times. Then we take 8 drops of bottle 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to take it, we're going to shake it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, we're going to let it sit for 5 minutes. The nitrite is just 1 bottle. We put in 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, we shake for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to let that sit for 5 minutes. For the nitrate, we're going to take the first bottle and we're going to add 10 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to cap it. We're going to turn it upside down a couple times. Then we're going to take the second bottle, and you got to shake this for 30 seconds. Then you're going to put in 10 drops of the second bottle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you're going to put the cap on it and shake this for 1 minute. Then you're going to let that sit for 5 minutes. Alright, once these have all set for 5 minutes, we're going to compare them to our chart here. So we're going to look at the ammonia, and the color is pretty close to 0.25 parts per million. That's pretty low. Our nitrite, that level looks pretty low too. It's close to 0. And our nitrates, that's off the charts. We're pretty good. Now remember, in our system, what do we want? We want ammonia, which is toxic for the fish, to be pretty low. We want our nitrites, which is also toxic for the fish, to be pretty low as well. Now our nitrates, which is safe for the fish and good for the plants, we want that to be as high as possible. So it looks like we're doing pretty good. And that tells us that we know ammonia is entering into the system. So if it's not staying there in that form, we know that the bacteria is healthy and thriving and making the water safe and useful for the fish and the plants.